I'm Sandra from the Formnext team, and we are in front of the UL Solutions booth. Their main focus is on safety, and we want to know more about it.
At UL Solutions, our objective is to increase additive manufacturing into new and innovative uses by increasing the level of safety and assuring that level of safety in not only the equipment used for 3D printing, but also the materials in 3D printing construction applications, as well as medical, even biocompatibility.
What is the blue card?
So UL Solutions has, for the additive manufacturing, when we research and evaluate plastic materials for use in additive manufacturing, we certify materials in something called a blue card. This blue card contains information on the processing parameters in the equipment used to make sure that that material performance, those certification parameters that we've evaluated for that material, are consistent throughout the life of that material.
Can you specify what kind of information will be shown on the blue card?
The certification program that UL Solutions has for additive manufacturing materials is the blue card. The blue card contains testing information for standardized tests such as flammability, dielectric strength, electrical and mechanical performance of that material when it's produced with standardized specimens using specific printers and specific settings for that printer. This enables users of that plastic material to rely upon that material for use in electrical and electronic products that gives them a speed to market because they can reduce the amount of testing required to get to market faster.
And can it be used for any kind of 3D printing technologies?
The UL Solutions additive manufacturing 3D printing certification program can be used for any type of additive manufacturing process. It was put together with flexibility in mind. We currently have materials certified for material extrusion, fat polymerization, powder bed fusion. But the program is flexible, and any new technology in additive manufacturing that is developed can be incorporated for that certification program. To learn more about the UL Solutions services that we offer the additive manufacturing community, please feel free to visit our website at ul.com/am or ul.com/bluecard. All the information on the certification services that UL Solutions offers can be found there.